If you have thousands of views and thousands of subscribers, but you're not making money on YouTube due to one reason or the other, don't lose hope. There are so many ways that you're going to make money on YouTube despite not being monetized. In this video, I'm going to tell you some of those ways to make money on YouTube. So it will be better for you to grab a pen, grab a paper, and list down some of these tips that I'm going to be sharing in this video. Remember to watch the video from the beginning to the end. And if you find this video useful, please kindly share it with your friends. Hey, my beautiful people, welcome. I hope you're doing okay. I hope you're having a wonderful day. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how to make money if you're not monetized on YouTube. If you have a thriving YouTube channel, but you're not making money, in this video, I'm going to tell you several ways on which you will make money on YouTube. So what are the ways you can make money on YouTube if you're not monetized? One of the ways to make money on YouTube is to collaborate with other YouTubers, especially small content creators who have just opened a YouTube channel. Some of these content creators may be looking for ways to grow on YouTube. You, as an experienced YouTuber with millions and thousands of views, you can actually help tutor them, put them through, teach them how to create YouTube videos from the scratch, teach them how to create titles, how to make titles, how to make a quality video. If you teach them, they can in turn pay for your services, or you can shout them out in your videos, tell people to go check them out. These are, ways you can collaborate with small YouTubers and earn money in return. The other ways you can make money on YouTube is to sell items. You can sell digital products or sell clothes, sell anything as long as it is legal. You can decide to sell clothes or direct people to your online shop. Maybe you have a shop on Instagram or somewhere like that. You can add a link to your Instagram page and you can buy the product, or they can buy the product from you directly on YouTube. So that's one of the ways people actually make money on YouTube. But before you do that, you should reach out and try to find out if you are able to sell those things on your YouTube channel. Don't just start selling them. You have to actually make findings to be sure that those are actually accepted on the platform. The other ways you can make money on YouTube if you have thousands of followers is to shout out people, shout out companies, or people who just want to advertise on your channel. Some of you are not monetized, but you have thousands and thousands of views. You have thousands of subscribers. So how do you actually make money? Yeah, you can shout out companies, shout out advertisers, or it could even be friends. The other way you can make money on YouTube is to shout out people on your YouTube channel. It could be people, it could be companies, it could be anyone. People pay for shout out, so you can actually make money from shouting out people. Shouting out is another form of promotion. You can help people. The other way you can make money on YouTube if you're not monetized is to be a YouTube manager for faceless channels. Yes, guys, many people are on YouTube. They are unable to earn on their channel, but they are making money, serious money, from managing YouTube channels for other creators. Yeah, especially faceless channels. There are many faceless channels that are out there. Many of the people who own it do not have time or the resources or the energy to grow their channel. So if you recognize one or two faceless channel, you can reach out to them and offer to help them grow their channel, offer to help them post and all that. Many of the creators who are owners of faceless channels are very busy. Some of them are CEOs, some of them are just busy with their lives. They don't really have time, but they want to be on YouTube. They want to have a channel. So you can reach out to them and tell them the things that you can do to help their channel. That's actually one of the things I do on YouTube. I help creators manage their faceless channels. I do the posting, I do the caption, I post short, I post all different kind of, content that they want me to post. Yeah, but I come up with my own creativity, make it stand out and make it attention grabbing. That's what I do. If you're watching this and you have a faceless channel you want me to manage, kindly reach out to me on my Instagram handle. The same name as my YouTube channel. Just reach out to me on that handle. Keep on giving the people what they want. Okay, that's the most important thing.